Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add wave transition effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you wanted to edit, if you wanna add a wave transition, so you just click on a box white icon, this one, click on it. And after this, you can click on AMG. Click on MG and then swipe until you can see wave right, this one. So you just click on it, and after this you can swipe left or right this icon to set the duration for the transition. And now you can click on apply to all for add the transition effect to all videos. And after this you can click check icon in here and finish. So that's how to add wave transition effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.